Hello guys and welcome back. Today's video is another dessert and this is tiramisu. It's a traditional Italian dessert and it's like my childhood favorite dessert. I used to love it growing up. And over here, like when we eat it out, it's like usually the portion is small and also it's so expensive outside. So this recipe is cheap. It's also very simple and it's actually delicious. And the only problem with it is that like it takes like time. Actually, it takes patience. Like it needs to chill in the fridge overnight, which I don't really like. I don't really have that patience because that's how much I love it. But in order for it to actually be delicious and like for the biscuits to like soak in all that good flavor, it needs to actually chill overnight. So I'll just show you how simple the method is in the kitchen. Let's go. The base of tiramisu is lady fingers. So here we're going to use about 4 packets like this one. And it just also depends on the tray you're going to use to put in your tiramisu. 150 grams of sugar, vanilla, a pinch of salt, about 250 grams of either mascarpone cheese or Philadelphia cream cheese. Traditionally, it's mascarpone. 3 eggs separate. You separate the whites from the yolk. Instant coffee to dip in the lady fingers, and some unsweetened cocoa powder to like cover the surface or to serve. So the first step is you take in your eggs, the whites, and your salt, and you mix it. So now we add in, so after it makes this kind of foam, we add in our sugar, but we only add in half the amount and we slowly add it, would say over 3 times. So that half you add 1/3 at a time. Because the other third will be mixed in with our cream cheese or mascarpone cheese. So this is what we need. We need it to have stiff peaks like these. And how you know a meringue is ready is if you flip it over, it won't fall. This is so hard. Okay, like this, so it doesn't fall. If it doesn't fall, that's how you know it's ready. So now you take another bowl and you add in your egg yolks, the vanilla, and your sugar, the rest of the sugar, and we mix it really well until the mixture doubles in volume and becomes this pale yellow to white color. So this is what it looks like now. So now we just add in our cream cheese or our mascarpone and we mix it really well again. So now we just like break the cream cheese a little bit and we just mix it around with a spatula, just so that when we mix it with the electric mixer, it doesn't really splatter everywhere or on your face. So now we start using our electric mix and we just mix it really well until everything is well incorporated. So now that everything is well incorporated, we start to add in our egg white mixture, and we add it slowly and we gently fold it so that the egg whites don't break or like fall. So now we start to add in our egg whites and we gently start to fold. So after we ensure that everything is well incorporated, the egg whites mixture with the yolk and cheese mixture, this is the kind of texture we get, this very thick creamy consistency. So now we just take our tray and we start to assemble our tiramisu. Now we take one of our lady fingers and we just layer it this way. You can layer it horizontally or vertically, it's up to you. So
this is how we layer it, and we have to use every space possible because they need to be like really well stuck together. So now we add about half of our egg mixture. So we try to even this layer out as much as possible so we can add another layer of lady fingers. So now we repeat this procedure again another time. So after adding all of the second layer, after layering the lady fingers, we add the rest of our egg and cheese mixture and we layer it. So now this is our final step, and that is to take some cocoa powder and to sprinkle it, and it needs to fully cover the whole thing. So now that we've covered it with plastic wrap, we just take it to the fridge and we let it chill for a whole night. So overnight, and we'll meet you tomorrow for the serving. So this is what the final product looks like. As you can see, there are multiple layers over here. You can see that like the biscuit and like the cream, it all looks so good from here. It looks amazing. This tastes like a lot of memories. This tastes also like my childhood. I still remember my mom would make it to me so frequently because that's how much I loved this. And like, I don't know, I feel like we practically never really cleaned the dish because I used to wipe the whole mold clean because that's how good it was. That's how much I loved the whole thing. So I would definitely encourage y'all to like try this. Like, it takes overnight, true, but it is so worth it. Like, I highly recommend that you try it. So this concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, remember, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Like our Instagram and Facebook pages. And I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!